is where I'm living. Got a whole lot of sinning. Young kids doing drugs, going around stealing, and it's so sad. I wish they had a new beginning. Now the telephone's ringing, my heart starts beating. Whoever's calling on me got my heart bass speaking. I say hello. A voice replied so sweet and pleasing. Now the doorbell's ringing, alarm clock's beeping. Me girl's outside waiting while I'm still drinking, and it's so sad. The way you see the way I'm living. And now the rooftop's leaking and the raindrops dripping. I grab me bottle 40 ounce to keep me from freezing. Yes, it's so bad. The weather changes where I'm living. No one can ever tell what time it's going to rain, it's going to shine. You take a look at them clouds above, think the day will go just fine. Oh man, I only wish that I was dreaming. Say, yeah, I'm dreaming of a better life. On a cruising ship over the ocean breeze to paradise unseen, a place I haven't been. I'm dreaming of a better life, where the jobs are clean to start a family. See things you haven't seen except in all of your dreams. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. And now I'm dreaming of a better life. Ain't no place we run and hide. Pressure and problems, citizens fighting for their human rights. Oh, oh, lacking reconciliation. You take a central cruiser through them burning stone, all the way to Silver City. Crime and vandalism rates rising really quickly. I say, oh, oh, hardship is what my people here are feeling. Some dream of sandy beaches, coconut trees, beautiful wife with lots of kids. Others dream of education or to travel overseas. I'm so glad I'm not the only one that's dreaming. Say, yeah, I'm dreaming of a better life. On a cruising ship over the ocean breeze to paradise unseen, a place I haven't been. I'm dreaming of a better life, where the jobs are clean to start a family. See things you haven't seen except in all of your dreams. Whoa.